Hi Noosa, in this video you're gonna see how we start pretty much every single detail that we do. We just applied the soap washing and now you see us rinse this beautiful BMW. We start with an in-depth car washing for car detailing, paint correction, and of course when we apply a ceramic coating. Using the correct product is so important, especially if we're gonna follow with paint correction and ceramic coating. The professional products we are using are not just designed to clean your car, but also to protect it. This is very important in an area like Noosa, where you have high risk of sun damage, humidity, salt in the air, sand, a lot of aggression for your car. If your car needs to be detailed, we are the professional to call in Noosa and area. We are mobile and we come to you. All we need is a little space to work on, like this driveway here. It's amazing if we have shade, but it's not absolutely necessary. We also need access to water and power. We provide a wide range of services, but are very well known for our maintenance service. And we of course also do paint correction and ceramic coating. If you are in the Noosa area on the Sunshine Coast of Queensland and need your car to be detailed, please give us a call or send us an email. You will find our details below.